plate op.
What is up, guys? Welcome to another episode of 360 Speed. Hope you're having a fantastic day. I think we're gonna make my friend's day a little bit more awesome because today we are gonna do some work on his OPC. Yes, you remember this from my Instagram? Yeah, unfortunately, just don't mind the sport bumper. We are working on that, but we are gonna change some things today, and hopefully you will like what we are gonna do. So what we are going to do today is this is going to get changed. Bumper delete is going to happen, and then see over there, that's something awesome. We have some intercooler pipes, some nice breathing apparatus for the car again, and that is Michael. If you don't know him, Michael, that is his car. I think his car. This is the OPC that got my the most likes on my Instagram so far. So please go check out on Instagram. Check it out. He's nice with the alien Corsa OPC. And over there is, you might know him. That's Louis, and he was on me with my supercar run and most of the stuff. So yeah, hopefully you will enjoy the video. Guys, I'm really excited to do this. We're gonna do some cold starts for you and see what the performance benefits of doing this whole intake. If you have a turbo car, you will know exactly what's gonna happen once you do a proper intake, a proper front mount intercooler and everything. And then the bumper delete is just optional because we don't want to roll around with a sport bumper. But anyway, hopefully you will like this video. Please drop the like, and if you're new here, please consider subscribing. So onwards and upwards, let's go. Fiddling with the front bumper. Now, as you can see, this is not an OPC bumper, it's a 1600 sport bumper. Okay, the long story short, a mechanic fixed that just for a temporary fix, but I think it's YouTube certified, or not even, because if you think you know what you're doing but you don't really know, please just stop whatever you're doing and do proper research, because we had to struggle. And let's just say the next part I have to bleep out everything up. So and I'm just gonna show you an example. This is how we mount a headlight. That hole there, that's supposed to be a nut going through there, or bolt. But no, we decided we're gonna use Q-bond glue to mount the headlight. It's a no from me. But anyway, as you can see, now that the bumper is gone, the bumper delete is officially done. So now we're gonna start. And just to say, this brace plate, you can see it has a tear in it. Don't worry about that. It's gonna get replaced soon. So yeah. Anyway, onwards. Let's start to get this little joke of an intercooler off, and let's mount. you. This is the factory. This is the factory intercooler, if you can call it an intercooler, because that's like just the inter of the intercooler. You see, single pipes and all just rubbery nonsense. And this proper metal piping, stainless steel intake piping, and then this is an intercooler. I mean, look at the difference. Just look at the difference. And then over here we fitted a cone filter back, because unfortunately the filter, BMC filter, is a little bit you know, wasteful wear. Yeah, you can see it's cracked, but don't worry, a new one will come. That is just a permanent or a temporary fix, but we're gonna put a BMC filter in there. And then Louis is just over busy there doing something for the intake, so we can mount the new piping in there. Now we are gonna do some cold starting action. Okay, so let's go for a test drive. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed it as much as we did. It looks, sounds, it just feels awesome, and I'm really glad that we did it. Michael is happy, very happy for you, Michael. And the R&D that we went into this is actually very good. And then there's another thing that I quickly want to shout out to, and it's over here by my car. Now, I am not a fan of a cone filter on a naturally aspirated car because it's pretty pointless. But I want to show you something. So, me and Louis have been busy collaborating in something with this 3D company and something for the intakes, especially with the Polos, and we try to phase it out to more other naturally aspirated cars. If you do not believe in a cone filter, you want to keep the original airbox, but maybe you put a flat pad performance air filter like I want to do, then you might end up with something like this. Now, as you can see, there is this pipe missing. Now, as you know, if you have a Polo, this part that is over here is very, very restricted. I'll put up some pictures to show you just how restrictive it is. It goes from a 64 to a 32. Like, it's this long thing. It's a 32 intake, and it's stupid. So me and Louis have collaborated on building a special piece that will come in here. It will come in over here. So you can see there's the 1 and the 2 screws that holds that other thing, the block in place. So we are building an intake like an intake housing that's gonna go into that, and then with silicone piping, gonna run that intake into here, into the silicone piping, back into the original airbox to get that cold, because this is a warm area, so we don't want that warm air sucking in there, and the pipe that's here is very thin, so it's immediately sucking in the warm air through the pipe. Very restrictive in the first place and not very sufficient. So the car is very good on fuel consumption, but it sucks when you try to just hammer it a bit. When you need to go past a car, you know, just be a little bit in a hurry. But I think this new solution that we are building here is going to be awesome. So if you have any inquiries or anything and you want something built like that, then you can just DM us or just talk with us, and we will try to figure out something for your car. And then hopefully we will be able to assist you and do whatever you want, help you build a special intake for your car, because this is just unacceptable. So guys, anyway, I'm gonna sign off here. This was a fantastic day. I think we got massive good results. So now the next step for the OPC is gonna be tuning and a few other bits and pieces, new bumper coming, and then we will definitely do a feature on the car as it pulls and do acceleration tests and everything. But guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please drop a like. I would really appreciate it. And if you are new here, please consider subscribing if you're not subscribed yet. And thank you for all of you, massive awesome audience. Thank you for watching, and I really do hope that we can collaborate more with OPCs, Polo GTRs, Golf GTRs, any performance car that I didn't mention, Ford STs. I really would love to see all these cars and just get a look and feel for the cars, because we're also easy to judge everything, but before we know how they drive and what they are, how the owners experience it, it's just massive to say. It's very easy to say, wow, that car sucks or that car is awesome. But anyway guys, that is a video for later. I really do hope you enjoyed it, but that's it for now. Please remember to buckle up, keep it safe on the road, and I will see you in the next one. That's for now. Cheers.
Thank you for watching this video, and I do appreciate every one of you that stopped by. If you're new here, please consider subscribing like I already said. You can tap it on this button over here. But if you want to see more, then please go check out our previous upload, or this down here is what YouTube suggests you should watch. So please go check it out. I would really appreciate it. Remember, subscribe.